In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the liftgate struts on this BMW X5. These are going to be attached to the liftgate. Let's get into it. Now I'm going to use a pole jack to support the liftgate. Just get underneath there. If you don't have a pole jack, but you have an assistant, you could have someone hold it up for you. To remove the liftgate strut, I'm going to use a pick. Just get underneath the clip here. Pop that out. And just grab the strut and just pull. And we're going to do the same at the base. Get underneath. You could use a straight blade screwdriver if it's a little bit easier for you. Pull that clip out. And just slide it off. There it is. Now I take the liftgate strut, line the base up, snap it in place. And up top, I'm going to have to move the liftgate up a little bit. Get that lined up, lock that in place. Now that we're done, I'm going to remove the pole jack.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.